If you're getting the something went wrong error when using Instagram Restyle, there are a few fixes you can try. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network-related. Next, completely close the Instagram app and reopen it. Then try using the Restyle feature again. If that doesn't work, head to your device's app store and check if Instagram has an available update. Installing the latest version can often resolve feature-related errors. You can also try logging out of your Instagram account and then signing back in. If you're using Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Instagram, tap Storage, and choose Clear Cache. Then reopen the app and test the feature again. Another fix is to restart your phone, which can clear temporary glitches affecting the app. If the issue persists, the Restyle feature may be experiencing a temporary server problem or may not be fully available for your account yet. In that case, wait a while and try again later. And those are the best ways to fix the Instagram Restyle something went wrong error. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Instagram tips and tutorials.